Hey guys, it's Jessica, and today I'm coming to you guys with another video, and today's video is a get ready with me. It's this look, straight hair, and some face makeup with this cute dress that I never wore until now. So this video was inspired because I wanted to look cute for once, and get to just do my makeup and hair for fun. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get right on to the video. First thing I'm doing is just putting my hair up and under my face so I can apply my makeup. Next I'm taking the Arbonne Gentle Daily Moisturizer and just applying a little bit to my face as well. I'm now applying Too Faced Hangover Face Primer, and I'm just using a little bit. Now I'm applying Pixi by Petra Correction Concentrate just to my under eyes to get rid of the dark circles. For foundation, I'm using the Fit Me by Maybelline New York in Matte and Poreless, and I'm a shade 120. I'm just dabbing that all over my face and then blending it with my beauty blender. Also using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in Translucent. Now contouring my face, I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and this is my all-time favorite bronzer forever now, and I'm just going to apply it to my cheekbones and then as well to my temples and to contour my nose. For my cheeks, I'm just using the Benefit Gold Rush just to add a little bit of color to my cheeks. It's like a rose gold kind of pink color. Just taking a brush, I'm now blending in my face and making everything look more natural instead of so harsh. And by using the powder, I just kind of highlight the parts that aren't bronzed or blushed. I'm now using my Naked 2 Urban Decay palette, and this is a good neutral palette with a mixture of matte and shimmery colors. And first off, I'm applying booty calls to my whole lid, and then I'm applying Busted into my creases along with a little bit of blackout. As you can see, I went a little too harsh with the blackout, but then I just blended it out with the Busted and YDK, finishing off with Half Baked over top to give it more of a shimmer on my eyelid. Now I'm using the Tattoo Liquid Liner by Kat Von D, and this is again an all-time favorite eyeliner. It stays on so well. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of cried after I put this makeup on, and my eyeliner did not smudge at all. So this is me just trying to wing it out and make them even. Using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, I'm just filling in my eyebrows and giving them more of a defined but natural look. To set my eyebrows in place, I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. After curling my eyelashes, I'm using the Colossal Volume Express by Maybelline, and This is actually my new favorite mascara. It is so volumizing and it makes my eyelashes look way longer than they actually are without combing them too much. So this is me just applying. I was actually surprised by how much I actually like this mascara. For highlighter, I just used this shade out of this eyeshadow palette, clip cut off. So now I'm just applying some lip liner under brand Bite, and it cuts off again. So I just applied lipstick and then a lip gloss on top. In order to straighten my hair, I'm just separating it into sections, and my hair is pretty thin, but it has a few layers, so I just try to make it easier to straighten and actually make my hair straight instead of missing some pieces. So this is me just straightening my hair till I get it the way I like. The finished look, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave any video requests below. My Instagram is jessnikki_. Feel free to follow me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.